Mga vlogs, first call of the day, June 23rd. So, ano lang naman to, drum replacement. Dito tayo sa Dodges. Yan, ang ganda yung school nila. Bago tong school na to. Yan. Ang weather ngayon is maulap. 17 degrees. Mostly cloudy. High of 26. Low of 11 degrees. June 23rd, Friday. Yan. Ayun. Yan mga vlogs, dito tayo sa Sushi 97. Try natin. Lunchtime. Bakit? Bukas naman nakalak. Ba't nakalak? Ano? Bukas? Ayan, may malaking duck. Vlogs. Sushi 97. Ayan, masarap tayo. Hello. Ayan mga vlogs, wala pala silang dine-in. Baka pa, yung COVID pa. Pick up lang. Okay, ito tayo sa iba. Mga vlogs, dito tayo sa Joey's Seafood Place. Vlogs ng Joey's Restaurants. Lang ata sa visitor. Dito may footpath o tayong coffee shop. See the difference. Meron silang 1 piece, 2 piece, and fish and chips. Yan, $13. Ano to? Salad? Slow. $3. 2 piece. Sa lunch, meron sila yung 2 piece na 13 piece. $13. So yun ang kinuha namin, 1 each. Tapos yung Sprite nila, $3 each. Isang glass. Ewan ko kung bottomless. Tanong natin mga vlogs. Bon appetit. Kain tayo. Yan. Yan.
I was that security guy. I would grab that bottle and drink it myself.
Ayan mga vlogs, no? Ating bill, cheap. Plastic. So, yeah mga vlogs, okay lang din ang seafood nila. Not bad. Bottomless yung drinks. I don't know about the fries. So, ayan. Ayan mga vlogs, no? Third day of summer. Pang dalawang tao lang yan. Ang ganda. Jeep Gladiator. So yung camp. Parang teardrop. Yung may ganun siya para pag natutulog ka parang may skylight. Yeah. Tapos tinted para hindi makita yung loob. Ayan mga activities ng mga tao dito pag summer, no? Ka-camping, punta ng lake. Ayan, nagbubuk sila. Pero dito daw sa BC kahit walang yung iba just go eh. Maraming mga spot dito na hindi pa kailangan i-book o basta mo lang explore. Kailangan mo ng 4x4 talaga o jeep o truck. Ay, minsan yung mga daan off-road, mga gravel road, yan. Palaki din ng BC. Na BC. Welcome to historic South Fort George. Pati yung sign niya talagang historic, luma na. Inaanay na ata. Hindi pa pinalitan. Magandahin man lang sana. Ito, Queensway. Daming tawag nito, used car dealers. Tsaka doon sa kabila, nag-hangout yung mga hookers. Ayan. May napagsabi lang sa akin, hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko pa nakita. Yan. Wing. Yan. May kumakaway, pero siyempre, ang gagawin mo, kaway ka rin. Yan. Hello. Yan, tayo ng Isle Pier, konting celebration sa birthday ni Madam Michelle Bambi. Sa 40 minutes siya nakatira dito from Prince George. Uy, ang ganda ng motorhome. Kaso luma. Uso ngayon yung mga motorhome. Yan, so, mainit siya. Nag-long sleep pa ako. Takot ako kasi baka madaming lamok. Kaya nakapag-long sleep ako. Muso. Ooh, look at that.
Hindi.
Nagkatay ng muso. Muso ba yan?
Ano dito si Sharon?
Ayan o, yung birthday girl o.
Hindi ba sinasabay niya, no? Ino. Ni Dustin? Hindi, na where's Dustin? Sabi niya, punta daw sa 3D daw. Tinatanong ko. Dustin? Ano?
Hoy, pansit.
Ang halik. Ito mama, anong oras kayo punta doon? Sabi niya mga 3, nandito yung mga anak niya.
Wow.
Pero siya hindi.
Spaghetti. Salad. May fruits oh.
May kumain na kayo, alas 6 na. Sino
Hello. Hey mga ka-vlogs, ang buhay sa Canada.
Hindi ka pa ng...
Yun o,
Ano yun?
fire lang.
At saka yung ihalo mo?
Friday night,
Basta may halo.
8:15, 21 degrees, mostly cloudy.
Ready na yun.
Ayan.
I-mix mo na lang doon sa...
My heart's desire. Do I have brakes for this hill? Nope. That's your heart, man. Don't have any. Yeah, man. Look at this. Look at this beautiful work.
Yeah.
They took our spots. Usually it's me and you. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? I don't know. I don't either. It's part of the adventure. Every time I see somebody die on one of these things, it's a front end collision. It's a stick that comes through the window. These guys are worse off than we are. Oh, nice engine. Nice engine.
Yeah.
These guys are fucked. We're done. Oh yeah. Don't worry. We'll take the sticks for you. I knew you would. Oh yeah. Don't go to the blue house. Don't do it. Take a left. Left. Hard
here.
left.
Hard
left. Left.
No. The farm.
Oh man.
Bring it left
again. Hard left again. Oh, going left. Up there? Yep.
Did we bring any guns?
No guns. No guns this time. We want to fuck their back, bro.
Right. I can shoot some blows at some animals.
You gotta fucking
Oh,
take a
what's
little
over
first
here?
one.
Oh, I see
Yeah, yeah, it's driving.
Just following the tracks.
Yep.
Follow the track. Go straight.
Well, look at this fucking estate here. Then when you get
What's that?
stuck, you gotta get the wife's SUV, come back and pick me up because I can't walk for the fuck.
What is that thing? Propane tank
Oh, there's some good shots in that.
Yeah, man.
We follow that way.
ammo.
There's a lot of tubs out here. Why do you have so many tubs?
I want you to go over that way.
Oh, you want me to take the fence out, right?
No, go right. Follow the
The
fence.
fence will funnel you into a fence.
Another fence corridor, right?
Just follow it. Go straight ahead. Straight.
Yo.
Got a lot of weight behind us.
I think it's not. That's funny, eh, Robert? Fat fuck.
Yeah, I don't know what. Where more of the weight centralized in the capper.
You meant the logs, right?
Yeah, Oh, look at this. This is like the highway here.
Watch it.
Love it.
Yeah, how fast can you go?
Oh, not too
Don't be
fast.
such a pussy.
It's not my truck, man. Oh, thank
The
you.
driver is in my truck. Be fine.
Who knows this truck?
Head up like a bolt dinner.
I'm kidding it. I don't want to die today.
Told you I should have drove.
I'm driving back.
You gotta fucking know it.
Oh, there's a jump here.
Alright, take it left here.
Left there?
Through this gate.
Yeah.
Not down here, Sam.
Where are we going?
You're never coming
straight.
back.
Straight. Just straight?
Right now, I'll go straight. Don't turn. Right.
Oh, what's this? Woo! Sunshine.
Got so comfortable here.
Oh.
Go through all that work.
And worse. There's some camel. I usually
Man, the
30
suspension in this
30,
thing is
40
decent.
kilometers an hour through here.
Whoa, fuck. I feel like I'm gonna get air if I do anything.
That's a point. Oh, you're driving. No.
Fuck you,
Straight.
train.
I said straight. What are you doing? Okay, go left. Left. Okay. See that cluster of trees to the left?
That one or that one?
No, left. Your other left. Your other left. You just drive into that cluster.
What, this cluster?
Yes, that one. Drive in.
Where?
Just penetrate it.
Just right here. Okay.
Penetrate it.
Penetrate it?
Yeah,
Okay.
go in there.
Alright. Fuck you,
Find your
cheese.
way.
Yo.
Just find it. Right? No, not at the left.
Huh?
Alright, go around. You still haven't not penetrated it.
I felt like I did.
No. No, you did. No,
Oh,
barely anything.
there's nothing there.
I'm just treating it nice. That's all.
Might be a bear in there.
There might be up there.
I think you're being a pussy here. You're going around it.
I don't know where I'm going.
You don't go around it. Run it over.
Ooh.
Wait, where am I going? Straight.
Right,
Straight.
right,
Right.
Right.
You'll have our goal.
Ooh.
Oh,
There's a fence.
There's a fence. There is a fence there. Did you remember that
Yeah,
fence?
go straight up there.
Up in here?
Yeah, I see tracks.
Where?
Follow the fence.
I don't know, man. This
You
looks
can
a
do
little
it.
tight
You
in
can do
there.
it. Just go. You can do it.
Yeah, man.
You can
Do it.
do it.
Oh.
And
You
the
can do it.
fence goes over that way.
Hold your
Follow
hand.
the fence.
Just follow the fence.
Oh, fuck. All right, here we go.
Jesus. Just plow over those little bitty trees.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost the mirror.
It happens. It happens. You'll get that on these bigger jobs.
Damn it. Should we go back for that?
No.
What happened?
What are we gonna tape it on with some duct tape?
No. Probably
Take a
could.
left. I've been telling you to take a left.
Oh, you lost the thing.
We lost the mirror.
Mirror.
God damn.
Man, you said go straight.
Actually, for a while I did, and you never listened, and then it changed, and you never listened. You can just go down there. Go down there.
That way?
Yeah.
Yeah, straight, I guess.
Hey, I recognize this spot. This looks familiar.
That's where we were.
I feel like we've been here before.
We just went
Are we
around.
going to get the mirror?
No,
Okay.
no, we're actually going to find the hole.
Okay,
No.
where's
The hole is there. See? See that cluster of trees?
Man, there's trees everywhere.
No, but like there's a cluster.
This cluster.
that one there. In there.
That big ass cluster
Yes,
of trees.
go to that cluster.
Oh, okay. All right. It looks impassable, but
Yes, it is.
you want to drive into that.
No, well, sort of. I want you to check it out.
Okay.
Okay, drive ahead a little bit and then turn right out through all this little.
Right here.
All right.
There you go. That's exactly it. We'll push through that. I don't know why you should do it with a little more like assertiveness. The way I would do it.
Yeah.
There's
There's
to back up a little more. You might need to actually get 4-wheel drive. I would probably. That would be me.
Yeah, 4-wheel.
Yeah, I'll get it there.
Straight on.
Alright.
You don't have to run around. You'll just go around.
Easy.
All right. Take a pause right here.
Let me get that.
We're gonna pick that mirror up.
No, we're not. Gonna,
No?
We're gonna find out where the hell. Get on me out.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta figure out. I gotta where we are.
Because like we lost it right here.
Over there, Slim Shady. Oh, holy off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? We just bombing through here on the whole load of wood. Might have to start a fire.
Knock off tree.
You
Might have to start a fire. Because we ain't making her back. Yeah, I guess I was driving with the aim of getting out of here. Yeah, tear up the ground. Fuck. Holy shit. I didn't even think you could drive through here, but you Yeah.
I don't know what we're looking Get out of here. I'm kicking you out of that fucking driver's.
Sounds like a muffler.
Sounds like the exhaust.
Exhaust?
I think it's just an exhaust support.
The muffler?
It only happens when
It's a shock, maybe. This is the shocks. Ooh, what was that?
It's gotta be exhaust.
I think we lost an exhaust support when we went over that tree.
Don't be so dramatic. You know what? It wasn't even that. That's the fucked up part. I thought the tree was gonna fuck something up, but it didn't happen until way later when we started fucking trying to hack donuts at the end of the fucking trail.
Oh, you have the whole fucking path back here. You gotta be loud.
Oh, definitely.
No, but we
Just turning it around.
don't want to roll over, man.
I thought we were going up there.
Yeah, I thought we were going around.
Well, we get a boat.
We're definitely dragging the exhaust.
Yeah. Better check it out here.
Alright, we gotta find out.
Yeah, I gotta find out.
I'll pull ahead a little bit.
Back up by the fucking tractor, just haul ass like he was doing.
Oh, man.
Probably that heat shield there. It's not absolutely no break.
Yan mga vlogs.
Oh, another officer.
Yes.
Naloka na.
Another Leo.
You're gonna butcher the kambing. And he likes to go to her mom wants kambing.
Go. Tastes good.
You haven't? Ito daw kayo matulog dalawa.
Not go. We want a whole lot of goat.
Mas lalo na.
Pork.
Yung mga uminom, baka narinig sa amin.
We don't have lamb or sheep.
You have to remember,
Anything other than pork.
wine. Yeah.
Anything other than pork.
Red wine.
That's all we got. Did she smoke marijuana?
From here.
She smoked up.
Over there.